Hello everybody, welcome to another fabulous episode of Discount Donnie with a Y. Why? Because you should never pay full price to live your life. Today I'm coming at you with a TEMU haul. This has got some of my auto stuff for my car that came in within the last couple days. And then some other stuff that I got for Christmas gifts from my coworkers and things like that. Alright, so I'm going to start off with my car stuff since my car video is already online. I think, well, there's three items that I have for my car. The first one is, this is an umbrella holder that's supposed to stick on my car with this little two-sided tape. You stick it in your car somehow, and the umbrella fits right in here. No umbrella I own would fit in this, so you have to have a real small umbrella. So anyway, I got refunded for this. It was like $1.50, something like that. It's kind of junky. I mean, you can probably, I don't know, I would never use it in my car anyway, because I mean, that's kind of a weird thing to stick on your side of your car. But anyway, so that's what that is. Then I bought, these go in my cup holders. They're a little glittery blue. There's two in this pack and two in this pack. I'm gonna put these in my smaller cup holder thing. They're really nice, I like them. They were like $2 each, something like, $2 for this one, $2 for that one. So it's what, so $1 each technically. All right, so this is my steering wheel cover. It's a real pretty blue glitter thing. So I'm gonna put this on my steering wheel probably tomorrow. My car is blue, so I kind of want it to be blue, blue, blue. My other car was a gray color, the Boulder gray, and then I had an all black bling inside, so I'm switching it to blue now. So the next item I bought, I technically bought this for my car, but I only bought one. My car does have wireless everything, wireless charging, all that good stuff. But I like to have a wire just in case. It's USB-C. My car is all USB-C. As you see, there's two USB. But these are fast charging one. So I'm probably going to put this in my car. I should have bought two. I'll probably buy another one because I really do like this. It's a nice 6-foot cable. But these are really nice. They're supposed to be fast charging on both ends. So this is a real, I think I paid $3 for this. So it's totally worth it. Because I think at Five Below they sell something similar for like $5. I think it's like $5.55. So the next item, I bought 4 of these watermelon sugar hand sanitizers. Dollar Tree, no, not Dollar Tree, Five Below sells something very similar to this for $4 each. I paid $6 for 4 of these, and then it was free shipping as well. And then I bought this t-shirt for my cruise. This is when I go to the gym. I'm gonna wear this shirt. It's kind of a muscle shirt, kinda. It says Wolf. It's in this real pretty red. It is really soft, and it has like a real nice, thick, nicely tailored cut here. So it's not like cheap, and this is a very heavy one. It says it's 5XL, but it is huge, so it more than likely, I like to have baggy shirts when I go to the gym, so. But I think this is cute. I love the red color, and this grayish silver color, it's reflective, so it's kind of really cute. I know it's kind of hard to tell, but I love it, and it's really soft. So anyway, that's that shirt. Okay. And then the next 2 items, these are keychains. Whoops, almost dropped it. So this is like a leather keychain. So it has like a carabiner clip here. Then you open it, it's got the zipper. So you can put your key fob in here. And then it has for your other keys, like your house key, your work key, your office key. But I mean, it's not that much room on this. But your key fob fits in this. I got the blue one for my car. I thought this was red for my spare key, but it's actually really pink. I'm probably going to give it to one of my coworkers that loves pink in their Christmas bag, which I'm going to show you in a minute, my Christmas bag. I had to get bigger bags because I had bought so much crap from my coworkers. So this is a C for my last name. It's a glitter. It was supposed to be a blue color, and as you see, it's more of a silver color. So when I let them know they sent me the wrong color, they told me to keep it, and they refunded me the money. I think it was like $4, but it's still pretty nice. I might give it to my sister or somebody. That's name starts with a C. I think it's really cute though. It's just not my style. I don't like the bling bling. But this is more my style. Just unfortunately, I don't think it's gonna work for me. All right, so that's that. Okay. So next, as you know, I'm going on a cruise. I say it in every freaking video. But so this is one of those. Dollar Tree sells something similar to this. So you open it up. It's supposed to hang, which it does. There's a plastic clip. The ones at Dollar Tree were a metal clip, but they ripped really easy. This is a high quality, thicker quality for your cosmetics and stuff. Then it has like a little, so you hang it on like a towel rack, or you can even hang it on the shower rod in your hotel. So you can put your cosmetics in here. You can put other stuff here. It's got some little pockets here, and it all folds nice and neat into itself. Then there's a pocket here too. So I wanted to try it because I don't think the one from Dollar Tree is going to work for me. So that's why I bought this one. This is the front. So it's got like a reflective part here. It's got one zipper, and then you can add. It's got the little thing here, the hook. So you can kind of clip it on your luggage, or this is your toiletry bag. You put medicine in here. So I thought this would be really cute. It's okay. It's probably a 5 out of 10. It's still nicer than the Dollar Tree one. And as you see, it's expandable. So it's got some room. It can store some stuff. So I'm okay with this one. And then I want to manifest my channel getting big. So I bought this fake YouTube 100,000 subscribers. I just thought that was so cute, so I'm manifesting it, and I'm gonna hang it on my wall, probably somewhere back here. The problem with it, it's all bent up. They didn't protect it when they shipped it, so I thought that was kind of crazy. But isn't this cute? I think this is so adorable. I'm manifesting the future, and that's what this is all about. Okay, so these are more of those. Okay, so these are my gift bags for my coworkers. I think I bought 16 total. They're a little different. There's 2 sets, so you'll have 2 of each bag style. And it's a pretty big bag. So when you open it up, I think it's like 12 inches by 12 by 8 maybe. See, it's pretty thick. It's got pretty roomy, so I can fit a lot of good stuff in there for my coworkers. I got some really good stuff from Dollar Tree that I'm going to put in here. I work with a lot of females, so it's a lot of like makeup and masks, beauty masks. A lot of the Onyx professional stuff that they're selling. This is a cute little bag. I have to say, I am very impressed with this. And then I'm supposed to be getting bags from TEMU as well. For subscribers, I'm going to give a bunch of bags. So if you see me out in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, I'm going to have discount Donnie bags like this that are custom made with my QR code here you can scan to subscribe. So I'm going to give those to people when they spot me out in different stores and stuff. That's my goal anyway. So then I bought, these are also for my coworker gifts for Christmas. They're empty spray bottles with silicone cases. The lid does open, and it comes with a little mini thing, so you can put it in there like this and put whatever it is you want in there. I bought Poopery big bottles. The Dollar General has the 2 bottles for $1 of the same thing, like the Poopery knockoffs. I'm going to put them in here is what my plan is, and I'm going to put stickers on here so you know it's Poopery or whatever. And then so you can spray it the toilet when you go to the bathroom. A lot of us have are on GLP-1s and stuff like that. So we go to the bathroom a lot, so that's why for at work. So it's red for cardiology, that's why I got the red silicone case, as well as the little carabiner here. So you can hook it up and leave it like in your bag, or your gym bag, your purse, whatever. So I got these, and the silicone does come off. And then you just open it up like this. It just twists off, just like that. It's got the little twist there, and then you just pour it in through here like this. And then you pour in the Poopery or whatever. You can use it for body mist, body spray. You can use it for many, many, many different things. And I think these are awesome. I bought 3 4-packs, so I have 12 total. Each one comes with one of these. And then you just put the silicone, goes right back on. Super simple. I bought the silicone, extra red silicone cases from Dollar Tree, thinking that this might work with this. But this is a lot bigger than the ones you get at Dollar Tree. So I'm glad that they came with the silicone cases with it. But I do like the fact that it's refillable. So you can use that multi-purpose, multi-use, which I always love. So that's this one. Like I said, they come in 4, and I believe they were $6 for 4. So I bought 12 total. So 6 times 3 is what? $18 for 12 of these. So I think this is a good buy. You can get a lot of fluid in here. So that's why I bought extra bottles of the Poo-Pourri and then the 2 for $1, which I'll probably buy some more. I think the ones that are 2 for $1 will fit 2 of these. So if I find more at Dollar General tomorrow, I'm gonna buy them for this. All right, my last purchase is something major. Like I mentioned about the shopping bags, you see me because I go, usually on Saturday I go to 6 different Dollar Trees in the area. Sometimes I go to Plano, sometimes I go to Richardson. I go to 3 stores in Mesquite. I go to Kaufman, Seagoville, and I go to Crandall, Texas. So all those Dollar Trees I go to on Saturday. So so I'm gonna be carrying a Fabletics bag around my kind of a crossbody kind of thing. And I bought these beautiful pins that say discount, wait, what does it say? Let me put my glasses on, it's kind of small. Sorry, my hair is a mess. It says like, subscribe, and like, share, subscribe. And then I got asterisk, and it says at Discount Donnie on YouTube and Instagram. That's what it says right there. I thought these were red. These are crimson color. So I do have some red ones, and I have some red ones on order as well. This is 80 of the 80 pins in this box. As you see, it's a big heavy box. And I've already given away half of another box. I've been giving them out at work. I've been giving them out whenever I'm at Dollar Tree. I got tons and tons of them. My Fabletics bag that I carry with me has that in there as well. So if you see me out in town, any of my Dollar Tree stores, I go to Five Below in Mesquite. I go to Five Below in Terrell, Texas. I go to a lot of different stores in the DFW area. And I'm trying to I go to Talty sometimes, Forney. So if you see me at any of these stores, say hi. I usually have that wrapped around me. Now I'm going to carry some bags with me sometimes as well, and once I get those. And you'll see them on my channel here. I'll be sharing that as well. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. If you see the hype feature, please hype me. I'd really appreciate it. A lot of my friends said that the hype button's not there for me. But if you do see it, please please give me a hype. I'd really appreciate it. I'm just starting out. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers on my 55th birthday that's coming up next month. So if you could help me with that, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you so much, everybody. God bless. Peace out. Have a wonderful, beautiful day.